thank all of you for writing in your comments, suggestions on our YouTube and Spotify channels, and liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channels. Today we have with us Goel sir. Sir, a warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Sir, what are we going to learn from you today?
You always ask me to speak, and I think I cannot speak irrelevant. I have to speak something relevant.
Thank you, sir.
So as you had said that 10th house, you were telling 10th house, give some insight into it. So I thought let us take 10th house.
Right, sir.
Because the first property or the great thing about 10th house is any lord who sits in the 10th house, he sits in the sky, the MC.
Right, sir.
Highest point of horoscope.
Right, sir.
So his characteristics or significations of any planet will get boost. They will go towards sky.
Right, sir.
They are all highlighted, whatever it is. Right? So this is the basic point of 10th house.
Right, sir.
So for that, we have good things also, bad things also.
So we want to see the mixed bag, actually.
Mixed bag. It is
mixed bag.
It is never, horoscope is never a bed of roses or brickbats always. There are some good points also. So that is why in classics, they have said there must be a planet in the Kendra or in 10th house, preferably in 10th house.
Right, sir.
Like in my other books, you must have read Karak Graha.
Right, sir.
So when they are in 10th to each other, they are more effective. So let me give 2 points. One is, say, dhan, the wealth. Second house is the accumulation of wealth.
Right.
And 11th house is the gain of wealth. Gain of everything, but wealth also. So whenever second lord or 11th lord, they come and sit in the 10th house, the person is very wealthy. If the 11th lord comes, the gains are good. He is rich. If second lord comes, he gets a very good accumulation of wealth. Lot of wealth he will accumulate. Now we have taken 3 Shaddai houses as the bed houses, trick houses.
Right.
So if the 12th lord comes and sit in the 10th house, he will certainly give change of job.
Okay. Okay.
You will change job frequently.
Okay.
Right? So in this thing I have noticed from my horoscope.
Okay.
You see, it is Gemini horoscope.
Right.
And Venus is the 5th lord.
Yes.
Is a trine lord.
Yes.
Sitting in 10th house in exaltation.
So
it should give status.
Yes.
But it is 12th lord also. So when he gets a chance, Venus gave a good job, class 1 job to me. Just as soon as the Venus Dasha started, on the same day, I joined service as an officer.
Right. Okay.
But it was Venus, the 12th lord also.
So
he played his game also, and I resigned after 10 years of service. I resigned because 12th lord is also getting strength. It is also looking skyward.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
The other point, 11th lord sitting in 10th. So my 11th lord Mars is sitting in 10th.
Yes.
Mars Dasha I made money. Moon Dasha I made money. I gained a lot. So it gave both the things.
Okay, sir.
So 10th house is a very important house for this matter, right? If you want to see some big wealthy person, you can take that chart also, or we can discuss other three houses also as you wish.
Sir, let's take the chart of Bill Gates, sir.
Right. Here, if you see, second lord is in 10th house. No differentiation which sign it is, no problem. And 11th lord is aspecting it. Double advantage. So second and 11th lord are in mutual connection along with Lagna lord, Mercury. See, normally we say Dhan Yoga as the relation of second and 11th house lords with trine lords, especially 5th and 9th, but I include Lagna also.
Yes, sir.
So, otherwise also there is a Dhan Yoga, but it is increased because of second lord sitting in 10th house. This is the basic point.
Right, sir.
I think anybody who has got 10th lord, second or 11th lord in 10th house, he will have money. He will always be money wise, never in problem.
Right.
Oh, sorry, it is a big sentence. I said never in problem. No, even if he faces problem, I faced problems in Venus Dasha.
Okay.
I had no money even to pay the fees of my children. But then it improved. Okay. Ultimately, we will have good money.
Right, sir.
Right? Yes.
Sir, so just for our viewers, sir, the trick house is one that you were saying that in 10th house, is there a trick?
You see, my Mars is 11th lord also and 6th lord also.
Right.
So 6th lord also is going in 10th house.
Right, sir.
So enemies are increasing. They are also strong enough. They will give harm to me and it will give me disease also.
Okay.
Acute diseases, enemies. Touch wood, I was never in debt. Except the running debts of business.
Right.
Like now the 8th house. 8th house is research, chronic problems, long-term diseases.
Sir, I'll just take a moment and I'll explain to everybody that we have a webinar with you on D27, which talks about our health issues coming up. We also will be looking into different divisional charts like 3 and D6, which talks about health issues, but how effective are they and what can be assessed from there to finally come to a conclusion on D27. Sir, so if this 8th lord is also there in the 10th, as you said, there's a rise in chronic disease, there's a rise in problem. So we can then
there is good point also.
Okay.
Research.
Research. Yes, exactly.
Research, sadhana. He will be diligent.
Right.
That is
Sir,
also.
Sir, one more question here is that you've always maintained that if there is a planet which is placed in a certain house, which is 5, 6, 8, or 12 houses away from itself, then it will not be able to give that good a result. So, sir, here, if 5th lord is placed in the 10th house, as you said, 10th house increases it, but it's 6 houses away from itself. So, how do we see that?
No, it is Kendra and Trikon, they make Raji Yoga.
Right, sir.
Right? And when they are in Trik, also, say, Kendra and Trikon, they are Triks also.
Yes, sir. Right, sir?
So then the success or the result of yoga comes after efforts, the efforts of the trick houses.
Very beautiful.
Like in my chart, if you say Venus is in sixth from fifth house.
Right.
Okay. So he will give Raj Yoga after efforts.
Right.
If it was eighth house, then after setbacks.
Right. Very beautiful. Thank you so much, sir. So it's a new way of looking at the chart. Seems two very simple points. Apply it in your chart. You will come across a wealth of information you had never thought of looking at in that manner. So till we meet with you again, stay safe and do write in and let us know
Thank
how
you.
you found this video. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Please hit the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.